for more. Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're comparing two iconic brands, iPhone and Nokia. Whether you're looking for a premium features or a budget-friendly option, let's see which one is right for you. First up, design. iPhones are known for their sleek, modern look, made with premium materials like glass and aluminum. They feel high-end and stylish. Nokia, though, on the other hand, focuses on durability. Their designs are simple but tough, built to handle everyday wear to tear, and some models even target rugged users. When it comes to software, iPhones run iOS, which is smooth, secure, and super easy to use. It's perfect if you're already in the Apple ecosystem. Nokia uses Android, often in its purest form, which means you get more customization options and access to a wide range of apps, especially on budget models. iPhones are built for power. Thanks to their A-series chip, they're fast, reliable, and perfect for gaming or heavy multitasking, although Nokia phones, depending on the model, are great for everyday tasks. In the camera department, iPhones shine with advanced features, crisp photos, and smooth video recording. Nokia's cameras are decent, especially on their mid-range models, but they're more suited for casual photography. Lastly, price. iPhones are premium devices, so they come with a higher price tag, but they hold their value well and offer long-term software support. Nokia is much more affordable, making it a great choice if you're on a budget or just need a reliable phone. So, which one is right for you? Go for the iPhone if you want a premium experience and top-notch performance, and choose Nokia if you need something durable and affordable. Let me know what your pick in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.